So hi, myself I'm Prasanna. Let's build this room today. So let's see. So firstly, we need to add a plane, rotate it like to 90 degrees, apply subdivision, remove all three faces, and then extend it a little bit like this. So as per your depth and height, you wanted it to be. Extending up to here. I'm guessing from here to here this will be the length. Maybe next. So and then this is the width. Most probably it is around here. No, I should go further. Go. Yeah, these should be perfect because initial stages the dimension should be almost similar. Not same, should be similar. And then I'm gonna extend this up to here. It will work. So we don't have this. I'm gonna delete this one and rotate it like this. So let's separate all the things. So this is the wall. Separated. Wait a minute. All these things should be facing reverse. Yeah, like this. Separated. Separated. Yes, separated. Yeah, separated. So we have this wall. It should be also separated. So okay, we are done with this room. We build that. So let's build this wall. So for this one, I'm guessing I can increase a little bit height. Little bit, not much. So I'm gonna place the door from here. I see that we have a wall over there, so we can extend this up to here, separate it. As of now, we are gonna build this thing. It has some grooves. So let's apply the solidify modifier a little bit like 1.25. No, a little bit more. 1.3. Yeah, most probably this will work. And I want, so you see there are two entire border is there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna and separate, hide this for now. So let's go and do something for this. So apply this, go there. So because we need some grooves, like I'm gonna do this. Yeah. Another one with small. Yeah. So I'm gonna select this, this. Go inside. Yeah. Apply this modifier. I guess I have gone a little bit more. Right, let's apply this modifier and then I'm guessing the height is a little bit high, but I can't use that. Okay. Yeah, so now we got grooves on this. I can do one thing, I can move this little bit up so that in the screen it is like this. Here too. Yeah, so all is done. So I need can move these two a little bit down. Yeah, so let's unhide that. So technically the door is started from here, I guess. Most probably we'll take that a little bit. So we're gonna do one thing. Let's move this. We can do adjustments every time. So it should be perfect. like you see, it is still need to go there. Like I guess this will be fine. I'm guessing I'm gonna extend the upper part a little because it seems it is like that. I'm gonna do just a little bit. I'm gonna do this also, like it's too big. Yeah. Okay, this too. So all these adjustments will make it to look similar. That is what we want. So we're gonna make grooves for this. Apply groove. Here. Oh, come on. So we're gonna use this. Yeah. Join. So we have a glass over there. So this done. Glass is also done. Then what we are gonna do is that you can ignore that. So let's build the rocks. Okay, it's probably rocks. Okay. Don't we have anything in here? Okay. See, almost all the work is done. And this should be 0.9. Done. So, okay. So we're gonna move this a little bit up. Is it like that? So it is blending with color. Go down. And I guess this will be fine. So I'm gonna move him over here. Apply. Let's say -2. Not much, but yeah. So we have 4. So we need 4. Definitely we need 4. So I'm gonna move this to right side too. Or either we can use the horizontal one. Mostly horizontal ones are used. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna extend that area. I guess we don't need to extend this. This will be fine. 5 would be fine. No, 4, like 3, 5 would be fine, I guess. 3, 9, yeah. Move this to little. Except this. Except this. We're gonna move this. Okay, we need some space here too. Move this to here. The central part will be to left a little. Yeah. Most probably we don't need all this. once I have done that, so now what I'm gonna do is that let's add a boolean modifier to this and apply. But okay, I'm unable to touch that. Take this and apply. So if you hide this one, you will notice how this looks. Yeah. So this is what we want. We will add either the stones texture here or real stones, like 3D stones, not real stones. And okay, these are done. These are done. So we need tiles over there too. So I'm gonna duplicate this. One. Okay, one. So I'm guessing this gonna be this. This. -1. Here to -1. So generally what I want is that it should be negative, it should be positive, and I want this here, and then what I'm gonna do, this perfectly matches. Yes. So hope at least we're gonna extend this a little. Okay. Yes. So we need the same thing on the walls. Most probably the walls. I'm gonna do this now. No, not. I don't want this. Okay, I have. Don't want that. So let's duplicate this and rotate 90 degrees. Have a point over there. No, I guess we can from here move it there. Don't need that much of tiles. Okay, let's decrease one. Should I increase the height? Yes. Do one thing. Let's create a collection. So move it up till here. Yeah. So now I'm gonna extend this. Yeah, we don't need to worry about that because it won't be visible. So yes. So this is done. We want on the left side too, on the right side too. So for that, I'm gonna have the coordinates over here. Duplicate this, rotate to -90, and now move it there. And then mirror with this other side. So done. Mirroring is also done. We don't think this is the camera angle actually. So this will be the angle. We don't need the other side. The wall is white. Everything is done. So here I can, for the cameraman purpose, I'm gonna extend this. I don't need to extend both. You might get confused. So we extend this. Extend this too, because you never know. Do one thing, okay. And here the rocks would be fine, no need to worry. So tiles are done. Like if I hide the tiles, I don't need this wall, and all this wall, this. I don't need this, near this. Mm, near this. Of course, should be there. So these will go into hide section. I'm gonna hide it. Tiles are done, everything is done. Chair will be added in D5. This will be added in D5. The furniture will be added in D5. The lighting and texture will be added in D5. Most probably everything is done. The rocks. So for the rocks, what I'm gonna do is that let's go to yeah, rocks, pebbles. I can say this might work. Little small rocks. Little small. Where are they? Okay, I guess this will work. It's a group of rocks. Download. It's actually taking time, but yeah, download. It will be downloaded. So what we are gonna do is let's import group of rocks, hide everything, remove its parenting, delete all controllers. This. So our rocks are ready. So this should be rocks, and we are gonna do this. So next step is that I need this. For this one, let's go to here, add something, points. Sorry, yeah, points here. Points on faces. Save this before that. So we will do that. We'll extend the density. So density will be increased like this. Then we need instances on points. Okay, instances to on points. So pick it, collection, here is the rocks, relative, scale. Before that, save this. No, not here, sorry. Instances. So we have that. So I can use one thing for convenience, value multiply scale. So normally the scale will be too high, so do much worse with this, like this. Then I'm going to increase the density to 500. The size should be small. This I can do the same thing over here too. Let's say 100. No, not much. No, it will crash. it seems it will crash. So now it is not. We need that ground texture. These rocks, wait, let's select these rocks. Decrease its volume. Where is the image? The image test reference. So as per the reference, I see rocks. Still, we need more. They should not touch each other. Most probably, I'm gonna use position stack. Distance right now is 0. By 110. We can remove half of this. Yeah, a little bit half. No. Realize instances, save this before doing anything. Come on. Realize instances, done. Done. Select this, convert to one outline. Okay. I guess I saved most of the part. Should not crash now. Okay, it didn't. Nice. Okay. I can move this a bit down. Don't need this up to say. So most probably this scene is done. And then okay. So let's save this. What I'm gonna do is that for my requirement I'm gonna have another copy. No, it's better to have another copy. Full copy should be there. I know copying this is kind of bad thing, but yeah, what I can do, I need this. So I'm gonna separate all tiles. Yes, tiles are separated. These are the things we need. So most probably this has UV mapping because it's rock. We don't need UV mapping much. We need this. So then UV mapping. UV mapping is done. So you wanna see what happened here? Okay. I did undo. Okay. So we don't have any UV mapping here, but when I select all the things and click this button, I will get. So there's the plugin I created. If you want this plugin, comment in the comment section. I will give you the link. So most probably here is done. This is done. These are all objects. Okay, so we don't need, we can hide that and hide the first one. These are the tails. Okay, we're gonna apply all this and separate all. So for any texturing guy, the one who textures all these tiles, he might face a lot of issues, like you need to go one by one. So if he has to apply 5 different tile texture on that one, so I created one another plugin which is here. So we have 95, so we need 5 different tiles. It's average, but it will take, so it will take some time analyze which what are the things you need to do. It will do that. mm, and like comment in the comment sections if you want this. Okay, done. So it's see, we can apply only 5. There are 7, we just need to apply 7 textures, not 95 textures. So these are tails, done. So these are objects we have. So I'm gonna select all this. So we need texture on every part. So here, apply materials, rename. So everyone has a different texture right now. This is done. Save it, and I'm gonna share that. I will post the final one at the end. Thanks for watching.